Good evening, Prachi.
Hi.
Prachi, could you tell us something about the evening tonight? आज की शाम के बारे में आप कुछ बताना चाहोगे?
I think it's
आगे
always.
आइए, आवाज कम आ रही है.
Aarti, 1 second.
आप हमें बता रही थी.
How is it being here? I think it's always exciting being a part of anything to do with Filmfare. I think Filmfare is always about style, about glamour, about I think just being awesome. So yes, this is a special evening for a lot of people, and another excuse for all of us to dress up and come out. Yeah.
प्राची, हम देखें आपको शुरुआत से आपको देखा है कितना वंडरफुली आपने अपने आप को ट्रांसफॉर्म कर लिया है लाइक फ्रॉम अ गर्ल नेक्स्ट डोर टू लाइक अ ग्लैमर गर्ल नाउ.
Gee, I don't know if it was just a change with time or whether it was the profession demand or what was it, but I think I have totally thoroughly enjoyed the process. I feel like I've really come into my own now, and I think I enjoy every bit of it. Earlier in the beginning, I think there was a lot of pressure, but I've started enjoying the process now.
अभी याद आती है आपको पहले आपने शुरू किया था और अब आप अपने आप को देखती हैं मिरर में.
No, I think I see a completely different person now in me, and I think with time, this change and everything, I think there's been like a beautiful gradual change, and I love it. I love what I see in the mirror now.
और तू
Yes.
कुछ कहना चाहेंगे आप उसके बारे में?
I think Rock On is a very, very special film for all of us. मेरे लिए खास करके because Rock On was my debut. It was Farhan's debut, and over the years, I think it's been an amazing journey. And to come back to that, it's like life has come a full circle. So I think Rock On is very, very special to me.
प्रमोशंस में मिस कर रहे हैं हम आपको.
Not really, we have things that are planned. I think very soon you're going to see, us in full swing, yeah.
She looks great.
I don't think this is the right place for me to comment on it, but I would at least like to say कि अब तक की जितनी फिल्म्स ऑलरेडी शूट हो चुकी हैं उन्हें प्लीज़ रिलीज़ करने दीजिए. I hope that there's no problem in those films. Further from here on, I think they can decide what they want to do. But अब तक जो ऑलरेडी शूट हो चुका है, I hope that those films don't have a problem.
प्राची, एक क्वेश्चन है मुझे आपसे. आजकल फिल्म्स में कैमियोज बहुत होते हैं, लाइक स्पेशल बिग स्टार्स मेक कैमियोज इन बिग फिल्म्स. So I just want to ask you, like, do you think cameos take away the focus from the movie या फिर स्क्रिप्ट का जो रहता है, जो मेन स्टार का रहता है, अगर कोई बड़ा स्टार कैमियो करता है, do you think it takes away the focus?
I think cameos are pretty exciting. They're kind of special because they create such a lot of mystery and intrigue among people. And yes, when it's one of your favorite actor out there, then I think it's kind of special and it's very, very exciting for the audience. So I think cameos are kind of fun because it's like a surprise package. So I think it's always nice, yeah.
प्राची, लास्ट सवाल पूछूं मैं आपसे. आजकल हम टीवी में देख रहे हैं काफी नागिन आ गई है, सुपरनैचुरल थिंग्स आ गई हैं. कैसा देखती है ट्रेंड आप काफी चेंज हो गया है सुपरनैचुरल और ये सब नागिन.
आप मुझे डरा रहे हो. I think it's a very sad phase for television. I think there needs to be way better content on TV right now. I'm sure we can do a lot better. And yes, I think we really need to make better shows. Thank you.
प्राची, one sec, प्राची, one sec. Visual, only visual. प्राची,
पहले बता दो क्वेश्चन.
अरे भाई, अरे excuse me, लो. अरे यार, side का हटो.
I'm expecting a lot of glamour, some fun because it's film fair, and a lot of friendly, familiar faces.
And tell us about your dress. What are you wearing?
I am wearing a Balenciaga gown, and it's my go-to color. It's black, and I feel stylish because my stylist has basically dressed me.
After you film Freaky Ali, like we are now eagerly awaiting which is another film which is down south. Can you just tell us about the film?
I'm shooting for Robot 2 at the moment, so we've just finished action sequences with Rajinikanth, and now we have a new schedule in December. That's between me, Akshay Kumar, and Rajinikanth also. Very good, but I haven't worked with him yet on Robot, so yet to be confirmed. Thank you.
Good evening.
Seems to be in a very good mood tonight.
Well, my dress is not dirty yet, so yes, so far, so good.
Everyone is averse with the film Shivai. कितने उत्सुकता से वेट कर रहे हैं, कुछ कहना चाहेंगे आप?
मैं भी बहुत उत्सुकता से वेट कर रही हूँ, मैं भी थक गई हूँ और मुझे भी मतलब वेट कर रही हूँ कि कब शिवाय खत्म होगी, कब रिलीज होगी और कब आप लोग देखेंगे.
काजोल करंट की फिल्म आ रही है, उसमें आपका कैमियो नहीं है, इसलिए सब लोग डिसअपॉइंटेड है. क्या कारण है?
Really sad about that, but I'm not going to talk about anything related to that currently. I'm here for this Filmfare Style Awards. Let's stick to that.
क्योंकि ग्लैमरस नाइट है, तो आपके अनुसार वो कौन से ऐसे एक्टर हैं जो बहुत ही ग्लैमरस हैं? आपके अनुसार ग्लैमरस एक्टर.
मुझे तो लगता है आजकल सब एक्टर्स को ग्लैमरस होना ही पड़ता है ना. I think if they're unglamorous, they're not really that popular somewhere down the line. So I think yeah, glamour is a requirement right now of from everybody, I assume. Okay, bas. Bye.
काजल रहेगा एक सवाल.
हाँ.
ऐसे कुछ
Last. बोलो. Last. हाँ.
काजल ऐसी कुछ खबरें थी कि रानी और आपके बीच में कुछ मनमुटाव चल रहा है, तो आप
Bye. See you. Thank you, Filmfare.
भाई आप फ्रेम में आ रहे हैं. अरे इधर कुछ कैमरा
Hi. Hi, how are you? Good. Yes.
बताइए like for the evening tonight, is it
Yeah.
your first time you are coming?
It's my second time. Yeah.
You are present, probably you are getting an award.
I don't know.
कुछ बताइए आज की शाम के बारे में, क्या उम्मीदें हैं आपको?
देखो वो काफ़ी दिन बाद तैयार होने का मौका मिला है, तो तैयार होके आ गए बस. Yeah.
देखिए सूरज जी, ग्लैमरस नाइट है, ग्लैमरस अवार्ड है. आपसे जानना चाहेंगे कि आपके अनुसार सबसे ज़्यादा ग्लैमरस एक्टर कौन है जिसे आप मानते हैं कि ये बहुत ही ग्लैमरस है?
Sonam Kapoor, definitely. Yeah.
Male?
And male. I don't know if he's glamorous, but I think He's amazing. I think it's Jagu Dada. Of course, yes. Why not? Yeah, everyone's worked hard on the film, yeah. All the people behind the camera, all the light men, all the cameramen, all the spot boys, all the actors have worked really hard, so of course, yeah. I am no one to say anything about that.
Does a cameo in a film enhances the film, or does it make the glory of the film?
As in? Does a cameo enhance a film?
हाँ, एक cameo किसी film में किसी का भी स्टार का film को enhance करता है या glory ले जाता है?
नहीं और obviously enhance करता है.
Elaborate करिए थोड़ा.
If say I'm doing a film and Tiger does a small 2 seconds for it, his fans will like coming and watching the film too. So it obviously makes more sense to have more actors in the film. Yes.
एक last Coffee with Karan is starting. क्या हम लोग आपको देखेंगे उसमें?
Karan sir नहीं बुलाएंगे मैं. I don't know. I would love to go. If they call me, if the team calls me, I would love to go.
किसके साथ जाना पसंद करेंगे?
Atiya.
Thank you.